Hello children, this is Musna madam and I welcome you to the second video of lesson 3 transitive and intransitive verb part 2. In this video we will discuss about the exercises. You see on the screen I have typed all the answers. You have to see, screenshot it and note down all the answers as it is written in your grammar copy. Okay. See exercise A. Pick out the verbs from the sentences and say whether they are transitive or intransitive. Point out the subject of each verb and the object of a transitive verb. Number 1. Jaya was sleeping soundly. Was sleeping, intransitive verb. 2. Maya loves flowers. Answer. Maya, subject. Loves, transitive verb. Flowers, object. 3. He has written many poems on spring. Answer. He, subject, has written, transitive verb, poems, object. 4. Birds have built their nest in that tree. Answer. Birds, subject, have built, transitive verb, nest, object. 5. Sunflowers are yellow in color. Answer. Are, intransitive verb. 6. Ravi has put your books on the table. Answer. Ravi, subject, has put, transitive verb, books, object. 7. These dishes have been cooked by my sister. Answer. Have been cooked, intransitive verb. 8. We shall never forget your kindness. Answer. Shall never forget, intransitive verb. Ravina purchased some vegetables from the market. Answer. Ravina, subject, purchased, transitive verb, vegetables, object. 10. Which chapters has your new teacher taught you? Teacher, subject, taught, transitive verb, chapters, object. 11. The blue sea sparkled in the sun. Sparkled, intransitive verb. 12. The match was won easily by our team. Answer. Was won, intransitive verb. 13. Why have you not polished your shoes? Answer. You, subject, polished, transitive verb, shoes, object. 14. The snake slid into a hole. Answer. Slid, intransitive verb. 15. A speech was delivered by our principal on Independence Day. Was delivered, intransitive verb. Now see the next exercise, exercise B. Pick out the verbs from the sentences. Point out their subjects and objects, if any. In the case of transitive verbs with more than one subject, mention which are direct and which are indirect objects. Now see question number 1. The fairy queen gave the princess 2 gifts. Answer. Gave, transitive verb, fairy queen, subject, gifts, direct object, princess, indirect object. Number 2. The gardener has planted many flowering bushes. Answer. Has planted, transitive verb, gardener, subject, bushes, object. 3. Some of the flowers in the pots were red and violet. Answer. Were, intransitive verb. 4. The police asked the guards many questions about the robbery. Answer. Asked, transitive verb, police, subject, questions, direct object, guards, indirect object. Number 5. Grandma told us a frightening story of ghosts and demons. Answer. Told, transitive verb, grandma, subject, story, direct object, us, indirect object. 6. The hive was full of honey. Answer. Was, intransitive verb. 7. The rooms have been decorated for the party tonight. Answer. Have been decorated, intransitive verb. 8. All the boys seemed happy and cheerful. Answer. Seemed happy, intransitive verb. 9. We shall come back home before evening. Shall come, intransitive verb. 10. Do not give your dog soft bones. Answer. Give, transitive verb, use, subject, bones, direct object, dog, indirect object. Children, you see this sentence, do not give your dog soft bone. This is an imperative sentence. So here subject is not mentioned, so you have to mention the subject. So here the subject is you and Give is the transitive verb, bones direct object, and dog indirect object. Now 11. Who can count all the stars in the sky? Answer: can count, intransitive verb. My friends gave me a box of chocolates on my birthday. Answer: gave, transitive verb, friends subject, chocolates direct object, me indirect object. 13. The weather here has now become very pleasant. Answer: has become, intransitive verb. 14. Rita cooked us a delicious meal. Cooked verb, Rita subject, meal direct object, us indirect object. 15. This picture has been painted by Meena. Has been painted, intransitive verb. The poet gave his poem a long title. Gave, transitive verb, poet subject, poem direct object, title direct object. 17. Soon after the earthquake, the villagers rebuilt the entire village. Answer: rebuilt, transitive verb, villagers subject, village object. Please give me a cup of coffee. This sentence is also imperative sentence. So here subject is not mentioned, so you have to mention the subject. So give transitive verb, you subject, coffee direct object, me indirect object. We were taught English grammar by our father. Were taught, intransitive verb. 20. Our father taught us English grammar. Taught, transitive verb, father subject, English grammar direct object, us indirect object. Now children, all the answers are on the screen. You take the screenshot, then write with a neat and clean and beautiful handwriting in your copy. You note down as it is written in on the screen. Okay children, till next lesson, bye.